Online college education degree. Get a degree in Canada, access student scholarship. If you want to need degree from Canada, you can visit this site, this one, and wait a second. You can come here and request for information. You want to information, fill this form with the basic details and submit. Okay, and next one, master digital health and data science degree. This is best. Digital health and data science. Master of Science MSc 2 year fast track possibles. You already know what you apply. Some fact for you. Study Master Digital Health and Data Science. State accredited programs, practical approach, internships, case studies, field trips, core. Our innovative tech teaching concept, interactive learning centered on individual support. Learn more about the study program. You are in our focus. We accompany you personally. Here is every information. If you want to visit, you can come and read this full article, and also you can apply from online degree, online college education degree. So requirement for your application: regular track 3 year bachelor degree, 180 ECTS, main 3.0 German GPA. Okay, this is requirements for application, for eligible application. Okay, so here is form for apply. If you want, you can fill this form and submit. Then you get more information about online college education degree. So let's finish today. We will make new content on other topic. Goodbye, take care.